Beautiful. I like the way they connected. Yeah. More details. Yeah.
wonderful performance by the Bizung School of Music and Dance. And please, this piece was actually created by one man. Say one man. It was actually created by one man who is the director of Bizung School of Music and Dance. He's the person of Mr. Mohammed Ali. And he's here with me. Please, let's give him a round of applause. He has done so much well. That was a great performance. That was a good. Yeah, so with all these things coming up from one man's head, it means something inspired him to do this. So we want to ask him what actually inspired him to come out with this great mind.
Good evening, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mohammed Ali, and I was born and raised here at the Tamale. So that's where I was born. I'm really top drum player. I also started to work with the National Dance Ensemble, which is the Legong, around 95, learning other communities, other groups, music like Ewega and Ashanti music. So you can see I just have so much variety of different culture that I've learned from other people, and I see how great it is to know other person, what other person is, you know. So, and we all in Ghana, we know Ghana have about 53 different languages. So I believe that we all Ghanaians and we all brothers and sisters. So I put this piece together to have not just the Gomba music, but we have Farafara, Gati, and Ashanti, we have Guinea and Mali, because people that our neighbors that we have so much in common with, like Burkina Faso. See, my ideas of putting this together is that to bring the United States of Africa together. That's what I mean, why I put this together. Thank you.
I think it's very inspiring. Let's give him one of our applause.